Help you?
Let me help.
Okay, you gonna help me get inside?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sort of big for this. Now what's going on?
We're going to bake on the lunch on the rice
Oh,
and the hamburger.
hamburger.
And now in the sweets.
Oh,
Wait. Oh.
some lettuce and mustard.
And that one is a big one. Bake.
Oh, you gonna eat good?
And I want to bake.
Okay, some ketchup and mustard.
And ketchup and mustard.
Oh,
There you go. Here's some mustard.
ketchup, that's the ketchup.
And here's some mustard.
Yeah. Nice.